Buddy Valastro here, and I am so excited to show you something incredible. Succulent cakes have been everywhere. Everybody's making them, they're doing a lot of different stuff with them, but today, I got something spectacular. Today I'm gonna make a succulent terrarium, but guess what? You could eat it, baby. That's chocolate mousse under there. And this makes such a beautiful centerpiece for your table. What's cool about this is at the end of dinner, when people say, what's for dessert? You're like, the centerpiece. They're like, get out of here. You dig in there, and it's like, holy. So I'm gonna show you how to transform this into the most beautiful, succulent little centerpiece that you ever did see. You always have some extra chocolate cake scraps lying around, and you're like, what am I gonna do with those guys? I'm gonna show you what to do with them. I'm going to start by putting down a little bit of chocolate mousse, and I'm gonna throw in some cake. The most important thing is to really get the layers close to the glass so you can see all the different layers. So now I'm just going around my edge here, putting some cookie crumbs. I got some cake in there. I got some chocolate mousse. So I got a little bit of chopped nuts here for some texture. I mean, I'm looking for something that looks earthy. So you can put some crunched up cookies, some cereal, some chopped up nuts, maybe a little bit of graham cracker in there. And I kind of want to see all the different layers of the different textures. It's time to make some beautiful succulents. I like doing it on a rose nail. So for me, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put a little bit of buttercream, and I have these little parchment squares that are pre-cut, and I kind of put it in the center. I do this on a rose nail because it's easier for me to control, and then I'm gonna lay it on a sheet pan, and I'm gonna stick them in the freezer, and then I'm able to kind of position it in any way, shape, or form I want all over a succulent garden. And I'm just gonna kind of work my way around. So what I did was, I mixed 2 colors of icing to give it a little bit more texture and dimension. When making a flower like a rose or flower like this, you start with the angle of your tip this way, and by the time you're done, you angle your hand this way. Piping is all about pressure and control on the angle of the tip. That's what the trick to piping is. So now let me show you another little succulent. Beautiful little succulent there, huh? I'm gonna stick this in the freezer. I'm gonna pipe some right inside. So let me stick this in the freezer. Now I'm gonna do my cacti inside the terrarium. Grab my flowers, which are nice and cold. You could peel this right off, and now I can handle this. Now we got some edible rocks. So these edible rocks are made out of chocolate. They kind of taste like an M&M, if I had to give you guys a comparison. If you Google edible rocks, you get them. And bada bing, you got yourself an edible succulent terrarium. Guess what? You can eat this friggin' thing too. You can put it as a centerpiece, you can hang out, or you eat the whole thing, it's delicious. Thanks for checking out the video. Like, share, and subscribe, and leave me some comments below. See you next time.